The new iPad mini got a huge update, and it's the biggest thing that happened at the September event. So it has the iPad Pro design language with the thin bezels and the full screen display, the second generation Apple Pencil support, which is super exciting because that one has the double tap gesture, and that one's amazing. I really like it. It's great for Photoshop and great for graphics design and drawing on an iPad as an artist, and note taking as a student, and Illustrator, and editing your podcasts and videos. And USB-C, USB Type-C, it's USB 3.1 Gen 2, which is the up to 5 gigabytes per second speed, which is great. So you can do video editing directly off of it in LumaFusion and other things like that. And you won't need a Apple Camera Connection Kit adapter with the Lightning thing because it's USB-C, guys, and you can connect it with all your USB-C things. I'll have all the affiliated things that we talk about linked in the video description. And so the cellular model has joined the race to 5G connectivity, just like the 5G iPad Pro 12.9 inch. I'm an iPad Pro 12.9 inch user, and I'm not a big fan of 5G, but it has its usability benefits and accessibility benefits. So if that's what you like, that's good for you. And it also has 4 color options. So that's good. More color options, better, more choice. And it has Touch ID and the Fingerprint Reader. So even if you're wearing a mask, it doesn't matter because the authentication biometric is Touch ID. So it might be an issue if it's wintertime, you're wearing gloves. But right now during COVID, that's amazing. And so you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost. It starts at $499 and goes up from there. Although if you're a student, you can get a discount on it. So if you're interested in the iPad mini and iPad productivity, I'm going to have a review and unboxing and all sorts of videos on that. So stay tuned. If you're interested, click subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of those videos. Like it if you liked it because it really does help. And if you want more interesting iPad content, check out one of these videos.